what you want to do is to stay on the sides of the beehive, not to approach the beehive in the front, through the front like this, because the bees are coming in and out, and you can't provoke them that way. So what you're want to do is to come on the sides as much as possible. If you need to go through, that's fine, but do it more like on the sides if you want to work on the bees. A way to use the smoke first is to smoke the parts where you see bees, not only the entrance. You do the entrance, of course, but there are sometimes open spaces. So you smoke them first, even before opening the beehive. Now, when you want to open it, you smoke and then open. See? You first smoke and then open. Don't open first and then smoke, because as soon as you open, the bees will come at you.